Hi, Charlie Kosorik, Jack Bench Woodworking, and today I have a very quick shop tip that I think a lot of people could use. As you know, I have this nice, beautiful, adjustable height workbench with this wonderful twin screw vise on one side and a nice quick face vise on the other side. And that's wonderful for woodworking, which is most of what I do, but sometimes I need a metal vise. And I didn't want to install a third vise on my bench, so here's my solution. What I did, I cut a little square of wood, about the same size, a little bigger than the base on the vise. And then I glued a block. It's, I don't know, 1.5 by about 2.5 inches block of wood on the bottom of that. Then I marked out holes on the board where to match the holes in the bottom of the vise. And I like using carriage bolts a lot of times on wood because carriage bolts have that little square on the bottom, and so you don't need a nut. It's very easy. I take the carriage bolt, I put it in through the hole in the wood, and then I take a hammer. You pound the carriage bolt in that square. With most wood anyway, it'll just dig in and make its own little square recess in there so the carriage bolt locks in. And then the only thing left to do, put the bolts in, tighten them up, and we're done. Okay, so now anytime I need to use a metal vise, which really isn't that often, but when I do need it, I grab this from the little stash where I store it. I come over here, I set it on in the regular vise, and I'm good. That's it. Take my hunk of whatever I want to work on, put it in there, crank it down, ta-da! So anyway, like I said, this was just a quick tip, just something I thought people might like, and I hope you did. So please like, share, subscribe. Thanks for watching.